Wayne's World. What is going on down there? Sorry, guys. Oh, I'm missing a magnet. I was wondering why it was making so much noise. I'm missing a foot on my thing. So let's open this Temu package. Okay. This is, this will go in the bathroom because these are refills for my toilet. I'm going to open those because I still have a couple. Okay. Now we have this, which is I'm gonna probably put batteries in here unless it came with batteries. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. And it didn't. That's okay. I had enough AAA batteries to last me forever. I got this for a reason. Because in the summertime, I do occasionally travel. I go to New York and whatnot, and this can make things easier. In terms of my medication. Not only is it a full month, each one is individual. So I can take out the first right here and the PM. You know what I mean? So my other one, I will find someone I can use. It's perfectly fine. This is the pencil holder. It has a clock, which I like. I do have to put some AAA batteries in here. I like the size of this, the narrowness. So that's going to go here. And when I refill my pill case this week, this will be what I fill. It's pretty too, actually. One thing I would do, is they're going up and down like this. I don't think I would leave it that way. I do like this very much. It's actually pretty. What I'm thinking, just that over there, is I've seen inexpensive organizers that I can stand up on the nightstand. Let me show you. Okay. On the nightstand, I have seen, organizers that you can stand up on here. That I could take this stuff and I could stand the organizer right there. And it would give me space because it stands up and there's room underneath it. Plus it's like a shelf. And I'm thinking that would give me space for things like that. So, because this isn't going to fit in the drawer like the other one. But also still give me space to put my tablet and phone on the table. So that's what I'm thinking. in the cleaning cycle. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get that pen thing batteried, clock set and everything, and I'll be ready to go. Actually, let me throw the batteries in. Got about a zillion of them over here. Okay. All right. Good. Shut up. That's kind of funny, actually. All right. Okay. 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 All right. I need to actually read the instructions. That would be helpful. Otherwise, I get a racetrack of sounds. Okay. Oh boy. All I want to do is set the clock. Anyway. Okay. Switch the mode button. Okay. 12 hour. Now. Okay. What time is it? 1:31. So we'll go back. Yes, it's annoying and I apologize. No. Oh my goodness. And it ruined it. Damn it. Okay, guys. I'm going to take you over here because it'll be easier to do this. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Mode. 12 hour. Set. Okay. 1. Set. Okay. Mode. There we go. Okay. Here's that PM. I need to figure out what PM is. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. Ah! I'm 1 a.m. again. Oops. Okay. Okay. Okay, set. Alright, that is set, except for the mode. There we go. Okay, now okay. Whoops. I have to go back one. No. Okay. Okay. Says it's 2008. That's kind of funny. Too bad it's 2024. Okay. Now, today it's January 26th. Friday. Perfecto. Set. Set. Save. There we go. Okay. Whoops. There we go. Got it. No, I had changed the. It changed the. It messed up the clock. I mean the date. Set. Yep. Perfect. Okay. There we go. We got it. And it's 65 degrees in here. Okay, guys. I know that beeping is super annoying. Believe me, it's super annoying to me. I'm going to put actual pens over here. And pencils. That kind of pencil. Mechanical pencils. Actual pens. Okay, pens here. And pencils here. Okay. I'll show you what it looks like in a moment, though. In a moment, nice. Pencils, leave those pencils there. And okay. Okay. Alright guys. I think that's so much better. Okay, let's show you. There you go. That looks so much better. Need to change your battery, then we'll get into another video. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Please stay safe. I think it's pretty warm out. But it's going to get colder at the beginning of next week because we're going to have a snowstorm. Sunday into Monday. Big one. So, if you're anywhere near the area of this snowstorm, please stay safe and warm. And if you're shoveling or anything like that, take breaks, keep hydrated. Heart attacks do happen shoveling snow. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Mwah.